this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use 3 things to have a smooth and flawless skin overnight. If you've not watched my slugging with Vaseline video, please do that right now before you watch this video. I'm going to link it somewhere on this screen below. So watch that video before you watch this video. So we are going to be needing Vaseline, egg white and lemon or lime to achieve this flawless and good looking skin overnight. If you want to age gracefully, make sure you pamper your skin regularly. You can do this twice in a week or once in a week during the weekend when you are free. And please take note, Vaseline is not the main ingredient in making your skin look smooth and beautiful. It only helps you to lock in the product and the moisture on your skin. We'll be needing Vaseline, egg, and lemon or lime. So the first thing I'll be doing is to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. We'll be needing only the egg white for this mixture. Egg white is believed to have protein that has skin tightening effect and absorbs excess oil from the skin. So if you have a very oily skin, try out this mixture and leave a feedback in the comment section. The next thing we are going to be adding is lemon or lime. I'm going to be using a whole lime for this because lime is very small. The quantity of juice we'll get from it is very small. So you add your lime or lemon to it. Lemon contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps reduce skin damage and premature aging. Due to high pH level, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. So if you have a very oily skin, you can include lemon in your mixture to prevent or reduce excessive oil on your skin. I'm not going to be adding Vaseline into this mixture because the Vaseline will just serve as a locking agent that will lock the mixture into your pores. If you've watched up to this point, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you've already done that, please hit the like button and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you. Mixture. I'm going to be using my face brush for that. If you don't have a face brush, you can wash your hands and use your hand to apply this mixture on your face. Make sure you wash your face before applying this mixture on your face. You don't want germs to get into your pores. So wash your face before you apply this mixture on your face. After you finish applying the mixture on your face, you wait for about 5 minutes. then you apply your Vaseline on your face. You don't want your face to be completely dry before you apply your Vaseline. Vaseline will help the egg and the lemon or lime to get into your pores and stay in your pores and work properly. So make sure you apply the Vaseline when the mixture on your face is not totally dry yet. And please, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate you coming here and sticking with me always. So we'll wait for about 5 minutes, then we'll apply the Vaseline on our face. Then we'll wait for another 30 minutes to 1 hour before we wash off our face. Trust me, your face is going to look beautiful and smooth, and you are going to be walking around with a super smooth skin the next day.